Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will show you how you can clean fry pan with a very quick trick that I'm going to share in this video today. Like you can see, there are a lot of stains in this fry pan and it is having lot of dirts and set stains. So these are the set stain and we need to clean it with the help of a useful trick that I'm going to share with you, for which we required baking soda and you required lemon. So half lemon is required, and you can use the lemon according to the stains also. So there are a lot of stains. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to squeeze the lemon juice all over to the fry pan having stains, because these are the set stains and lemon will be help in removing the stains from the deeper. So let it sit for few seconds so that it will absorb the stain part that are set for long period of time. Now after this I will be adding baking soda on and just spread it all over to the part that are having stains. So you can see now lot of bubbles have been created up. Now with the help of a scotch brite, just try to clean it and rub it in a circular motion and try to clean the stains. These are the very set stains and from long period of time. Now you can see the dirt is coming out and the black colored stain is also getting out easily from our fry pan. And now just try to rub it like this only with the help of a sponge or a scotch brite, in this way like I'm doing. Now you need to continuously do this for at least 5 minutes so that it will clean the fry pan from the deeper and from all the bottom sides also very well. So I will be adding some more baking soda here, and now just rub it more to get a neat and clean fry pan. Basically the oil we use in our vegetable stick to the fry pan and it is very difficult to get removed. So but with the help of this trick you can easily remove it. Okay, so now we're done with it. Now I will be adding here hot water and just spread the hot water into the fry pan completely like this. So now again, just be careful, it is a hot water. It will absorb all the dirt and the stains. As you can see, the black water is turning to the black color because the dirt and impurities from the fry pan have been combed out. So now we'll transfer this and now you can see all the stains have been removed from it. Now you need to take some cold water and just dip your fry pan like this into the cold water and wash it. You can use the detergent also and it is your choice, but there is no need to use detergent after it because we have already used baking soda and lemon, which is enough to get it clean. So we are done with it. Now take a clean cloth and just so now you can see the shine and the cleanness of the fry pan. It is completely clean now. All the stains are gone. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.